Welcome to the world of prediction markets, where your insights can earn you real rewards. A prediction market is a platform where you can make predictions about future events, like the outcome of a sports game or financial market trends, and earn money if your predictions are correct. But it's not just about luck. It's about using your knowledge and analysis to make smart choices. NODO is your go-to platform for these exciting events. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or a financial whiz, you can leverage your expertise to predict outcomes and earn rewards. Now let's dive in to see how easy it is to get started on NODO. Okay, now first, you need some gems. Gems is the currency used in NODO. So here's how you swap USDT to gems. Select swap and use USDT as your starting currency. Enter the amount you want to swap and use gems as your target currency. Confirm the transaction and your gems will be ready for use. So now that you have your gems, you can use them to purchase predictions. Now first, you go to the market section and then you can browse all of the available predictions. You can choose any predictions that you're interested in, whether it's a sports match or stock performance or any other event. You just have to enter your prediction, confirm your bet, and you're all set. It's that simple, and if your prediction is correct, you can earn rewards based on the odds. Now, are you guys ready to turn your insights into earnings? Then join the NODO community. It's just easy. You just have to sign up, create a secure password, and verify your email address, and then boom! You're now part of the NODO community.